Hey guys, I wanted to jump on and put a video out there. I know there's a lot of uncertainty right now with the interest rates, right? So how does that affect buyers and sellers? Well, I'll start out by saying that the rates just raised more in the shortest period of time in US history, right? And with that being said, if we can go back 100 years and look at mortgage interest rates, right, and establish what that median is, we're still below that median. So historically speaking, these rates are still low. Now, if you've purchased in the last 10 years, I get it, they're higher than you're used to. We don't know what's going to happen. There's indications that it could still go up, right? So how does that affect the buyers? Well, it affects your buying power, right? It affects how much you can spend on a house based on what your debt to income ratios are, right? And what the interest rate is. So it affects buying power. What does that mean to sellers? It means, well, your house is probably not going to have 25 buyers for it anymore. It may be a couple. It may be none if it's overpriced, right? So no reason to fret, because the reality is the market is still strong right now. It's not a scare tactic, and like the heat of the market with the 25 plus offers, that party's over. Good news is we're still in the after party, and I do suspect as this market starts to turn and stabilize and shift, that it's going to feel like it's lights out for a while. If you're on the fence about selling, yes, right now still is the best time. And if you are a buyer, listen, today's interest rate is locked in to protect you, right? And the reality is it's locked in for as long as you would like it to. The good news is that the rates were less than half of what they are today just a year ago. So you could always refinance in the future, right? So market's still healthy for both. And I feel like as a buyer, it's going to be a less anxious market. You're going to have more opportunity. You'll be writing less offers and looking at more homes, right? So sellers, now is the time. Buyers, some different times ahead.